The Church of San Sebastiano is one of Venice's best-kept secrets. It's one of the city's major votive churches, built in thanks for protection against the plague, because Saint Sebastian is one of the major saints against plague. It was built in the 16th century and decorated in the second half by a single artist by the name of Paolo Veronese, who painted here between 1555 and 1570 in 3 distinct phases. The ceiling is decorated with 3 massive canvases depicting Old Testament stories from the Book of Esther. And even the organ loft itself was decorated by Paolo Veronese with different subjects on the inside and the outside. The apse of the church contains 3 paintings by Paolo Veronese, all having to do with the stories of Saint Sebastian. Contrary to popular belief, Sebastian was not martyred by the arrows. That was an attempted martyrdom, which actually failed. He survived. Sebastian, a Praetorian who was discovered to be Christian and then condemned to death. He survived the being shot full of arrows and then was eventually killed by being beaten to death, which is depicted in one of the images, and then in the other he's bound to this very heavy sort of table and thrown into the great sewer of Rome. Whereas the high altarpiece of the church depicts Saint Sebastian in his more familiar image of being bound and shot full of arrows, with a depiction of the Assumption up above. In fact, in many ways, the Church of San Sebastiano is a shrine to the great painter Paolo Veronese, to the point that when he died in 1588, he was actually entombed inside of the church, where you can still see his grave today. So if you're in Venice, be sure to stop by the Church of San Sebastiano to admire the beautiful paintings by Paolo Veronese. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to pick up my new book, Rebuilding the Renaissance, Volume 1, The Ancient Roman World. And remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly.